Hello, I'm Adrian Da Silva, and this is our group project presentation. We are students attending San Francisco College Master's Degree Program, and we will talk about Apple and Samsung, an organizational culture overview. To perform our comparative overview, we will use 5 questions. These questions will highlight aspects of the companies to show how they can be different or similar, even acting in the same industry.
Apple and Samsung are global leaders in consumer electronics. The workplace culture of Apple Corporation and Samsung can be classified into characterized differently in terms of formality. Apple tends to have more Apple tends to have a more formal workplace culture, whereas Samsung workplace culture is generally more informal. Apple at Apple think of the workplace as a place where everyone dresses sharp and the atmosphere feels a bit like stepping into a high stakes movie scene. It's all about precision and secrecy, like being a part of an elite team working on a top secret mission. People work in focused bubbles, meticulously crafting their projects under a veil of confidentiality. Meetings are like well scripted dramas with clear roles and hierarchies. Innovation is the heartbeat here, and perfectism is the goal, making it a formal and intense environment where every detail matters. Whereas in Samsung, picture the Samsung workplace as uh, lively gathering where collaboration and teamwork is supreme. It's like walking in a bustling market of ideas with people chatting, brainstorming, and bouncing ideas off each other. There's a scene of openness and flexibility, almost like a big family where everyone's voice is heard. Decision making feels more like a group effort rather than a top directive, allowing for a quick adjustment to allowing for a quick adjustments to changing trends. It's an informal yet dynamic environment that thrives on adaptability and agility. In a sense, their workplace cultures differ significantly, with Apple leaning towards formality and secrecy, and Samsung embracing informality and collaboration. Now, I would like to pass over to the next team member. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sarmin. I'm going to explain slide number 4, which is about the organizational structure of Apple Corporation and Samsung Corporation. Organizational structure, which is very important, provides guidance to employees by laying out the official reporting relationships that govern the workflow of the company. As you can see on the picture, Apple's organizational structure promotes collaboration and control by organizing its business units according to products. Long-term objectives can be prioritized thanks to the functional organization, which also pays R&D executives according to the performance of the entire business. So coming to the next picture, Samsung Corporation. Samsung has a divisional organizational structure based on the product types, wherein products dictate the classification of resources and business activities. Samsung is divided into three product categories: device solutions, IT, and mobile communication and consumer electronics. Samsung's vision and goal are accomplished through the many business sectors with each organization. Thank you.
Looking at the pictures from both companies, it's easy to see the differences between the CEOs. Apple CEOs looks more like the Apple team, wearing short-sleeved shirts and jeans. On the other hand, Samsung CEO is a formal man, always in a suit. Both perform their duties with the same power, but with different communication styles. Maybe this difference is based more on the country in which they live and not on the IT industry they work on in. These different styles let us guess that Apple's CEO is more accessible and democratic, but this is only a guess based on public image, and it can be a mistake.
Hello there, this is Mohammed Azeemuddin, and today I'm going to cover the topic which is included on the slide 6 and which talks about the important values within the organization itself. So, here, first of all, I would like to define what exactly the organizational value means as per the resources which I have get assistance from. So, organizational value are a set of core beliefs held by an organization. They involve principles that instructs the business, its philosophy, and how it expects the people who work for it. And also to be considered, organizational value is reliable on what the purpose of the company is and also what behavior does it really want to impact and apply. And apart from that, you can see the differentiations within the corporations of Apple and Samsung. And here, the values which are certainly and on a major scale are to be considered with these both companies are on a different impact, and they are as in for the Apple Corporation, accessibility, education, environment, inclusion and diversity, supplier responsibility, and privacy. And coming to the part with the values of Samsung corporations or corporation, it involves human resources, mutual property, pursuing management, leading changes, and becoming the best as they learn or get the knowledge into implementation. So that would be all to cover up, and thank you.
Hi, I am Kiran and I am explaining slide number 7 about does the physical environment support teamwork and collaboration. Yes, it's true that the physical space plays a role in teamwork and cooperation. For Apple, the offices at Apple are famous for their minimalistic and modern design that put creativity and collaboration on the forefront. They design open office layout with collaborative zones so as enable direct relationship among the workers. The Apple campus's example, the Apple Park is designed to nurture teamwork and promote unity by providing open spaces and plenty of natural light. For Samsung, Samsung also assigns major importance to collaborative environments that may vary due to the location and cultural aspects. Samsung is keen to incorporate adaptability to the office layout. This allows for many working areas with different settings and ranging from open reception area to private meeting rooms. Officers of Samsung can use communication services which are designed to augment collaboration within the office as well as different departments and remote areas. Although both companies underscore with partnership, they diverge in terms of certain design components and cultural attributes due to the variable organizational philosophies and inclinations. Thank you.
Well, that's it. Thank you for staying with us during our presentation. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.